You will lose money on eBay if you do not calculate profits properly. Are you someone who wants to start selling on eBay, but you're not too sure about what to sell because you want to know what type of profits you can make on a product before you start selling? It's important to know how much potential profit you can make on a product, or you'll end up buying products to sell that don't make you much money. They take up valuable storage space, and ultimately that can be a demotivating experience. So make sure you keep watching this video because I will be showing you exactly how to calculate profits on eBay, some of the important decisions that you need to make before you buy to sell a product, and by the end of this video you will know how to make money on eBay. And just to let you know, we do have a free step-by-step guide teaching you how to start a wholesale business on eBay. You can find a link to it in the description of this video. So just have a look at this example. It's selling for £21.85, and I already know the cost and profit breakdown of this product, that if you sell it for £21.85 you're going to be making £5.67 profit per sale. And before you look into calculating profits, it's important that you look into sales data of a product. For example, how many times it's sold, and look into how often it's been selling recently, because if you don't look into this type of data properly before you buy to resell on eBay, you'll end up wasting money on products that you think will sell, when in fact eBay has so much data about the likelihood of the product selling before you make that investment. So make sure you check sales data before you actually start calculating profits. If you're finding value in the content so far, please do press the like button on this video. It really does help us out on this channel. And I'd also like to get a dialogue started in the comment section so I can get an understanding of what you as a viewer would like to get out of eBay. How much are you looking to make on eBay? Why are you even thinking about selling on eBay? Let me know in the comment section below and I will respond to every single one of you guys that leave a comment. So if you go over to Google and just search for eBay fees calculator, just click on the first link that shows up and it should bring you to this eBay fees calculator over here. What you then want to do is click on your relevant country. So in this instance, I'm going to be looking at United Kingdom, eBay UK, and then you're going to enter your details into this fees calculator here. And we're going to look at this product because it's sold over 1,300 times. It's selling for £21.85. It's one of the product recommendations on our website, which is available to purchase wholesale. And I already know the price that you could buy 100 units for $1,241, which is around about £1,030.80 delivered, meaning you pay £10.31 per unit. And it's a proven seller on eBay. This specific listing has sold 209 times in the last 30 days. So with the research already done, let's see exactly how the profit calculation is done. So the first thing that you're going to do is put it down. How much has this product been sold for or it's selling for? In this instance, it's £21.85. Where it says shipping charged, if the seller's charging shipping, then you're going to enter that here. But in this instance, the seller is not charging shipping, so we're going to leave that blank. In the item cost, you're going to put how much it costs you to purchase this product. So we already know that it's £10.31. And the next thing where it says shipping cost, this is where you're going to put down how much it's going to cost you to ship the item out. And to calculate that cost, you're going to need to know the size of that item, the product dimensions, and how much it weighs. And then you're going to use the relevant courier to ship the item out. And the best place to find that information is just do a few Google searches, look at local couriers and see exactly how much they're charging for a product that fits the dimensions and the weight, and also see if it protects your product as well. So for the purpose of this video, we've looked at eBay InPost, which costs £2.82. Now I'm going to add an extra 10 pence to that, so it's £2.92. Why? Because you're going to spend a bit of money on postage labels and mailing bags or anything else. So it's always good to incorporate that into the cost because that is an expense. How many orders? Let's assume it's one order. What type of seller are you? If you're a business or a private seller, seller level, are you above standard, top rated? Make sure you put it down. Most of you will start off as above standard. And at this moment in time, eBay don't use PayPal anymore, so it will be eBay managed payments. If you're promoting the listing, so if you put in a 5%, 10% ad in there, make sure you put that on there. It's not an overseas sale. The final value promotion, if it has one. The VAT registered. Are you VAT registered? Put down yes or no. For United States, guys, it's going to be something like sales tax information. And then it's going to ask you how much have you sold in the last 3 months. So let's just assume below 25,000. Now, if you are a business seller, put this as standard as 20%. If it's a private seller, that box wouldn't be there anyway. So let's just assume you're a business seller, 20% VAT. This product comes under the sound and vision category. So what this is telling us that if we've taken all the deductions into account, this product will make us £5.67 profit. It really is that simple to use the eBay fees calculator. Now, earlier I mentioned about product research, and it's very important that you find the right type of products to sell before you even start calculating profits. So if you click on the video that you see on the screen right right now, I show you a very good product research strategy being used by sellers who are doing over £100,000 a year in sales.